Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's wanting to produce this for a sign, and you can see this is a bitmap. And they want this font, which I did not have, and they sent it to me through an email, and I've got a video on how to do that. So this is a font. I've already done it up here. Whoop, I don't have this all grouped together. And they want to incorporate this faucet into this word. Okay, this is a clipart. It's a bitmap. It's pretty small and it's pretty clean, so I'm not even going to reduce it. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace Clipart. It's going to take just a few seconds, and it's already done it. And the good thing about it, I think it removed everything because I don't think there's any background. I do like this faucet. I like the water with the little line on it. Object order, back of page. So, well, that does have a little white. So what we can do is go up to our object group and ungroup this and just grab that white. Now it's all ready. Now I'm going to Control G to group that together. Now what you have to do, and you have to kind of do it in this order, we want to get rid of that R or change that R. So I'm going to go up to Object and break the water apart. And then I'm going to select, really I just have to select the R and go up to Object and convert it to a curve. If I would have converted it to a curve and then broken apart, the centers of that would be filled in. So now I'm going to left click, right click and outline. And then on the R, I'm going to left click and right click. Now from here on out, it is your thoughts on what it should look like. I'm going to do it the way I might think it should look like, but that might not be yours. So, just kind of play around it, kind of picture it. We're going to have to extend the R a little bit. And so you can change all this. Now, this is no longer a font. It's a curve, so we can use the virtual segment delete key on it now. I'm going to delete those lines. I'm going to delete that line. That line kind of needs to stay. Evidently, I'm not touching, so I'm going to take the shape tool. And there I said, okay, it's a group of items, so I'm going to have to go Object, Group, and Ungroup. I'm going to get rid of all those nodes. I'm just going to bring this in. Then we can get rid of one of them like that. Now we're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to get rid of this. That looks pretty good. Now, you could try left clicking, but it's only going to fit on those two pieces, which is fine. And then take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill that in. Now, this has an outline, so I would take this and then right click, no outline. One, it's going to make it, watch how much sharper, or not sharper, but what it's going to change in size when I take away the outline. It gives it a little bit more space, and I know for a fact they're engraving this for a water company. They wanted this font. Now, with that said, if I don't have a font, you can email it to me. Because when I open up their file, if I don't have that font, it'll change that font. So you could do one of two things. You could email me the font, and I'll ask for it if you really want that font. Or you can convert that font into a curve, and then anybody can open it. Let's see what it looks like with a yellow box. Object, order, back of page. I think that looks pretty good. I mean, maybe you could take your smoothing tool, which is available in X7 or above, and kind of, well, it's not allowing me to. Oh, there's a line there. And if you use the nudge factor, nudge distance, see it, clean it up, you can always just nudge it right back. I would even, when you're working on the R, you can knock the R out away, and then that way it would be pretty perfect in space. Pretty cool idea, pretty good advertisement. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.